Most people think it's impossible to control an iPhone from a computer. And to be fair, for years that was mostly true. But today, there are actually several ways to view, mirror, manage, and in some cases fully control your iPhone from a Mac or Windows PC. The problem is that most online guides don't tell you which methods actually work, which ones are limited, and which one gives you real control. So in this video, I'll show you 6 different options, and stick around until the end because I'll reveal the one method that's dramatically better than all the others if your goal is true iPhone control. Whether you're trying to answer text from your computer, help a family member troubleshoot their phone, record tutorials, or simply see your iPhone on a larger display, there's a solution that fits your setup. Let's start with the most important thing you need to know. Before we jump into the methods, let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions. Apple does not allow third-party applications to take complete remote control of an iPhone. That's intentional, and it's done for security reasons. So if you come across software claiming it can fully control any iPhone from any computer, you should be skeptical. What many tools can do is display your screen, mirror it wirelessly, record it, or let you manage things like calls, texts, and files. Only one method on this list gives you genuine click and control functionality, and that's the method we're building toward. Here's the quick overview. Mac users have 4 primary options: iPhone mirroring, QuickTime Player, AirPlay, and Handoff. Windows users have Intel Unison and TeamViewer. Each serves a different purpose, so don't worry if the first method isn't right for your setup. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly which option fits your needs. If you're running a recent Mac and iPhone, this is the feature you've been waiting for. iPhone mirroring is currently the only option that provides real, interactive control of your iPhone directly from your Mac. You can click, scroll, type, and navigate apps using your mouse and keyboard. To use it, you'll need a Mac running macOS 15 or newer, an iPhone running iOS 18 or newer, both devices signed into the same Apple account, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Setting it up is surprisingly easy. Open the iPhone mirroring app from your Mac. Unlock your iPhone. Choose your notification preferences. Sign in using your Mac administrator credentials. Lock your iPhone and complete the remaining prompts. Once connected, your iPhone screen appears directly on your Mac and behaves almost exactly like a native desktop application. If your goal is recording your iPhone screen rather than controlling it, QuickTime Player is one of the easiest options available. Just connect your iPhone to your Mac with a USB cable. Open QuickTime Player. Choose New Movie Recording. Select your iPhone as the source. Now your device screen appears right on the Mac. The important limitation is that this is view only. You can record everything you see, but you cannot directly interact with the phone from the computer. For Windows users, Intel Unison is one of the best ways to connect your iPhone and PC. After installing the software on both devices and scanning the pairing QR code, you'll be able to manage messages, answer calls, transfer files, and browse photos directly from Windows. It's not true remote control, but it's extremely useful if you spend most of your day working from a Windows computer. Need to help someone who's in a different city or even a different country? This is where TeamViewer shines. After installing TeamViewer and TeamViewer Quick Support, you can view an iPhone screen over the internet. This is especially useful for technical support and troubleshooting. Just remember that the person holding the iPhone still needs to perform the taps and gestures themselves. Think of it as shared viewing rather than remote control. If all you want is a larger screen, AirPlay might be the fastest solution. Place both devices on the same Wi-Fi network. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Tap Screen Mirroring. Select your Mac. Within seconds, your iPhone display appears wirelessly on the computer. This works great for presentations, videos, photos, and demonstrations. The final method isn't technically remote control, but for many users, it solves the bigger problem. Handoff lets you start something on your iPhone and instantly continue it on your Mac. Emails, web pages, notes, calendars, maps, and many third-party apps can transition seamlessly between devices. Once you start using Handoff regularly, it feels like your phone and computer become one ecosystem. So after looking at all 6 methods, which one should you choose? If you want actual control of your iPhone from your computer, the answer is simple: iPhone mirroring on a compatible Mac. Nothing else currently provides the same level of control. If you're creating tutorials, use QuickTime. If you're on Windows, Intel Unison is probably your best choice. If you're helping someone remotely, TeamViewer is a great option. And if you only need your phone on a larger screen, AirPlay is hard to beat. The truth is that most people spend hours testing multiple solutions before finding the one that fits their setup. Now you know exactly which method to use and when to use it. If this video saved you time, hit the like button and subscribe. and let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.